If you've been scouring the internet to find out what an ape is and you have no idea what it means to be an ape with diamond hands, then I suggest you watch this video from beginning to end, because this video is for you. You see, it's time for all of the apes to get together. It's a jungle connection. We've got diamonds, we've got bananas, and we've got AMC shares that we're holding with diamond hands. But what in the world does all of this mean? Well, it means that AMC shares are going to the moon, baby. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about realistic price targets. We're going to be talking about the risks. We're going to be talking about what in the heck has been going on with AMC, because I know that everyone is dying to find out. So in this video, we're going to be talking about exactly what it's going to take for us to hit the moon, maybe even Mars. So get your spaceship ready, your rocket ships, your UFOs, whatever you're using. Make sure to pack a lot of bananas in your backpack, because you're going to need them in case you have what it takes to become an ape, just like your ape brothers and sisters. Yes, that's right. I'm an ape. I'm eating bananas every single day. I'm living in the jungle, as you can hear right now. I'm recording this video in the rain. I know you can hear the raindrops, but that's not important. What's important is that we're loaded up on bananas. We're loaded up on AMC shares. And now let's talk about what we expect out of you as a new ape. Welcome to your ape boot camp. Don't you even think about going anywhere, because we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If you're new here and you want to learn how to use stocks and options to make your portfolio go parabolic, make sure you start now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss an upload. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to a video about AMC. Yes, we're going to be going to the moon. We're going to Pluto, Mars, Jupiter, wherever you would like to go. I'm on board. I'm going with you, because you know what? It's time for us to make life-changing money. Yes, sirree, Bob. That's exactly what we plan on doing. So let's start out talking about how much we're up on the day. Well, yeah, 35.58%. Might as well round it up to 36% on the day. But, you know, we were up a lot higher than this. We were up by about 50%, if not more, at our peak. But it just so happens we fell back a little bit, which is normal. Do not panic. And for the week, we are up 110.4%. Incredible. For the month, 139.26%. For the 3-month period, we're up 200%. For a 1-year period, we're up 369%. All right, folks, obviously that was an old recording. Well, it wasn't really old. It was like from the other day, so like 2 days ago. But now I'm recording on a Sunday. Today's Sunday, tomorrow is Monday, and the market's going to be open. We're going to have to be trading this thing, so I know that you guys are going to need to listen right now to know what you're going to need to do. So let me tell you this, first of all, we've been being manipulated. What's that mean? That means there's manipulation in the market, so we need to talk about the gamma squeeze. We need to talk about some different factors in our lives that are going to make us very, very extremely wealthy, rich. So if you like that, ladies and gentlemen, I need you to press that like button, or at least tap it or touch it or spank it. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I need you to hit the subscribe button, because if you're not a sub of me, then I'm going to need you to become a sub of me. So here's what's going on, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to get rich, well, there's only one way to get rich, and that's to buy AMC stock. But here's the catch. Here's the catch, ladies and gentlemen. If you're a fisherman like me, or a fisherwoman, then you already know I catch some catfishes. And I catch some catfishes, but I also catch some stocks. I catch some stocks that are going to make me money, because I don't want them stocks that don't make me money. So right now we're talking about AMC, because AMC is going to make us filthy rich. And here's where it's going to go. Well, it's going to go to the moon. It's going to go to Jupiter. It's going to go to Mars. Here's why. Because, ladies and gentlemen, there is going to be a massive short squeeze coming into play. Right now, We do not see the short squeeze. Okay, it's not even short squeeze season right now. So here's where the risk comes in. And if no one's explained this to you yet, let me explain this to you right now. Okay, we're not seeing the short squeeze yet. So you're gambling right now, and you're gambling on the short squeeze that it's going to happen if you're buying right now before the short squeeze actually happens. If you're willing to do that, if you're understanding that, then that's perfectly cool and okay. You can go ahead and buy the stock and hold it until that short squeeze happens if you want to be early. But keep in mind, if you're using margin, you could get screwed over. So, be sensible, be wise, be cool. Okay? I am a little bit of a redneck trading stocks, but that's okay too. But let me tell you, I trade stocks for a living. That's what I do. That's what I like to do because I enjoy it. And I'm telling you right now, this thing is going to short squeeze, but it may take a little bit of time. So if you don't like being early and losing money on margin, then don't use margin. If you don't use margin, you should be okay. But I'm not your financial advisor because I'm not a financial advisor because I'm probably not licensed in your state to financially advise. I'm only licensed in one state. Really, I'm lying about that too. So no matter what state you live in, I'm probably not licensed to be giving you advice in your state, so don't make that a mistake. But I'm telling you right now, I'm at the river fishing and watching stocks at the same time. And I'm telling you, I'm buying this stock. I'm going to keep buying it. I'm going to keep buying more because I know that the squeeze is coming. I'm not going to sell out of all my other positions to buy this stock because I'm not crazy as you. But I will buy this stock and I will keep buying it because I know that the squeeze is coming. So if that's what you like to hear, if you want me to pump the stock up and tell you, oh yeah, it's going to the moon, well, I'm only telling you that because I think it's true. And if I didn't think it was true, I wouldn't be telling you. But realistically speaking, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you the risks. Risks are that this thing does not squeeze. And that will happen if them institutional boys have more money than we believe that they do, and they trick us, and they can, pretty much win the fight here. And then we, the retail investors, get screwed over. I'm not expecting this to happen, but, it could happen. So that's what you got to factor in. But as long as you're factoring this in and you're cool with it, then I'm cool with it too. Because we are going to take this thing to the moon and to Jupiter and Pluto and back. So, listen, smash that like button while we're talking about it and while you're thinking about it, that is. But listen, so we are going to buy AMC stock. We're going to hodl it because we are the apes. Have you ever seen Planet of the Apes? I've seen it twice, but that was years ago. I don't remember what it's about. So you need to rewatch it so you remember what it was about. It's about hodling the AMC shares. And if you hodl the AMC shares with me, then me and you will be all right. Okay? Because that's what we're doing. I am from Arkansas. I am a redneck. And that's what makes me very special when I'm picking them stocks. And that's why I pick stocks that are winners only. And I don't pick them losing stocks. But, okay then, let's go. So, as you can see, we were up to $36, ladies and gentlemen. And then the thing fell to like $25. What happened there? Well, I think them shorters, they just started selling those stocks. Just selling. Selling pressure was kicking in. But you know what? We're going to keep buying it. Keep buying, keep holding. Make this short squeeze happen. Because if you can make the short squeeze happen, them boys are going to run because they're scared cats. They're scared of us squeezing them, popping them like a pimple. And that's exactly what's going to happen. And that's our job, is to make that happen to them, because we're saying, hey, screw you institutions. We are going to squeeze you. We're going to take your money to the bank, deposit a check, and we're going to buy some chicken nuggets with it. We're going to call them some tendies because we love those tendies, right? Yes, I love tendies. I don't know about you. I feed tendies to my kids. So that's what we're doing right now, ladies and gentlemen. We're just buying and hodling. Okay, I was going to make this like an informational video, but there's no reason to, because everybody else already has made one of them. So I'm just sitting at the river thinking of how can I help my people, my subs, my subscribers. I want you to subscribe if you're not subscribed so I can help you too. The only way I can help you is if you buy this stock and hodl it. And even if it comes down, don't you even think about selling. That's not advice. That's just my personal opinion. Because if you sell, you're screwing over the apes. Yeah. Hold them AMC stocks. Because we love theaters, y'all. We want to go to the theater when we want to watch some movies on the theater. Okay, let's talk about fundamentals real quick. Yeah, AMC, the fundamentals suck. But, you know, the reopening is the best thing for the theaters, but that don't change nothing. Okay, we already know. We know there's haters out there. We know there's Rich Greenfields out there. I've covered Rich Greenfield when I was covering Fubo. And guess what? Rich Greenfield's price target on Fubo was $8 and it changed to $6. Where the heck is Fubo right now? At the lowest. At the absolute freaking lowest, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, at the very bottom, I don't think it hit below 20. If it did, correct me. It was 1987. Okay, cool. Put that in my comment section if you want to. But Rich Greenfield, he's a bum. He's an idiot and he's a moron. I'll say it to his face. If he tries to beat me up, I'll punch him in the face. Because that's me. And this is my stock channel, but I'm still cool like that. And listen, Rich Greenfield is also attacking AMC stock. AMC. I know that's an acronym, but I'm still trying to read it as a word. But Rich Greenfield, yes, the man, this moron actually, he tried to give AMC a 0.01 price target. What's that tell you? That tells you it's a penny. Is that because he's a reputable, what the heck do you call it? A reputable analyst? No. It's because he's a freaking moron. He's manipulating you. He's trying to manipulate me. He's trying to manipulate my children's money. And where I come from, we punch these kind of people in the face, in the daggum mouth. But unfortunately, I only know him from Twitter, and I can't punch him in the face on Twitter. If he was in front of me right now, I'd punch him in the face twice, ladies and gentlemen, but I can't. So I need you guys to just be wise, be smart, be real, and know that when these morons come on here and give you some ridiculous price targets, ignore them because they're trying to make you lose money. They're trying to make me lose money. They're trying to take money away from my children's. And when that happens, ladies and gentlemen, I get very, very upset. Okay? I'm at the river getting very upset because Rich Greenfield is lying to everybody. Rich Greenfield is not an ape. He is not a gorilla. He is a moron. I'm going to share this on Twitter and I'm going to tag him in it so he knows he's a moron. But if you could do it too, that would really help me out. It would help me out so much for this man to know that he's a moron because guess where AMC is going? Well, you can't guess, neither can I, because this thing can go to the moon. What do we mean when we say the moon? Well, they told you it was a $50 price target. It didn't hit. Well, should you be upset? No, heck no, you shouldn't be upset. You know why? Just because it didn't happen on Friday doesn't mean that it won't happen on Monday. And if it don't happen on Monday, it can still happen. $50 is nothing, ladies and gentlemen. If it goes to $50, I will not be a millionaire. Which means I'm not satisfied with that, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to keep holding until I become a millionaire. Okay? This thing can literally go to $1,000. If you do not believe me, you have to do your own DD. And this is all because of the gamma squeeze. This is all because of the synthetic shares. You should already know all this, ladies and gentlemen. Do I need to explain? If so, I will do so in the next video. While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now. Or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.